Hi everyone. So friends, in our last lecture, we added the dependencies for JUnit Jupyter in our Maven project. We also added the required plugins in our pom.xml. So here you can see that we provided the Maven compiler source to be 1.8. So friends, whenever we create a new Maven project in Eclipse, the default JRE is chosen at 1.5. And we also know that JUnit 5 requires the JRE 1.8 or above. So here what we'll do, we'll simply go to Maven and do update project. We'll click OK. So once we update the project, you can see that now it has picked up JRE 1.8. So now this project is completely set up to run our JUnit 5 test cases. So in our test folder, here I will be creating a test class. Let's say I give name to it as first Maven test, and I keep it in a package com.hubberspot.junit5.first_test. We'll click finish. So inside this first Maven test class, I will be creating a test method. Say public void. We'll give a name to it as first test. So friends, in order to mark this method as JUnit 5 test, we'll provide @test annotation and we'll import it from org.junit.jupyter.api. And inside this test method, I'll simply provide an assert equals, let's say 2 1 plus 1. We'll import the assert equals. So friends, here we have created a simple test in our Maven project. So friends, now let's execute this first test using Maven. So in our JUnit 5 Maven project, we'll go to run as, and here you can see that it has a command Maven test. Run it as Maven test. So here you can see that Maven test command is getting executed. And here you can see that it shows that build success. And here it shows about the tests. So it says that it ran first Maven test class and the test it executed was 1 without any failures or errors. And it also shows the result that one test case got executed successfully. So friends, in this lecture we saw how to run a JUnit 5 test case inside Maven project. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.